Hey, fantastic fifth graders. So in math today, you should have completed your warm-up where you discussed your noticings and wonderings about these two pictures. You should have been able to state how they were alike and how they were different. And then you should have watched the video. And now it's time for you to practice. So let me show you how you're going to do that. The first thing we need to do is everybody needs to go to Google Classroom. Click on Classwork. Find the week of February 16th through the 19th. Remember, that's where every assignment will be posted this week. And then click on the assignment that says Tuesday, February 16th, Math Classwork. I'm going to click on it now. And as you find it and open it, I'm going to read the directions. You will complete this while on Zoom on Tuesday, February the 16th. This should be completed as classwork while on Zoom. Please complete it as classwork while on Zoom, as I need to know what you know independently. Don't wait till 9 o'clock tonight when your parents are beside you. This is your work. It is worth 100 points, so it will be graded. Follow the directions in this video or in the View Directions tab at the top of the Seesaw assignment. When finished, please click the green check mark in Seesaw to submit it to me. Then go back into Google Classroom and click Turn It In. Remember, if you just click Turn It In without completing anything, you do get a 0. That doesn't help you and that doesn't help me. So I'm going to click on the Seesaw link. And remember, mine opens just a little bit differently than yours does. Okay, when yours pops open, it will say log in with Google. You'll log in with Google, you'll click your 131 number, and it will bring you to the assignment. Once you're at the assignment, as always, we click Add Response. So I'm going to click it now, and I'm going to be the sample student. So mine opened just a little bit different than yours. The directions are here. View instructions. Review the concepts of coordinate planes, page 1, and ordered pairs, page 2. Complete the 2 activities that follow on pages 3 and 4. Turn in your finished work. Okay. So on page 1, you see a definition. Ordered pairs, 2. On the x-axis, I go over 2. 3 on the y-axis, I jump 3. So the ordered pair is 2, 3. An easy way to remember this is you have to run before you can jump. So x is run, y is jump. Over, then up. And then I click right here and click the second page, the coordinate plane. Well, this is the coordinate plane. Remember last month we had this on our number corner calendar, and I believe before I took over, Miss Ajar should have already taught this, I believe. So the coordinate plane consists of the origin, that's the starting point. It's always at 0, 0, right here in the corner. The x-axis, followed by the y-axis. And then remember, you have the numbers that would be on the x-axis and on the y-axis. And then your ordered pairs would then be plotted on the coordinate plane. So this entire thing is called a coordinate plane. So let me show you what you're going to do. It says, write the ordered pair that tells where each picture can be found. Remember, run, go over on the X. Before you jump, go up on the Y. So you're going to look at each picture and you're going to write the ordered pair. I am going to request that you use the text box tool so that I can read it. So the first one I need to see is the mushroom. So I know that I have to run over on the X-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went over 4 for the mushroom. So I'm going to use my text box tool. There we go. Sorry, don't know what I was doing. That was 4. Remember to do the text box tool. It's right here. I'm going to put 4 there. And then remember, I can make it smaller by clicking outside of the box, dragging it in, and then I can just drag it where I want it, right here. If you need to use the pen tool, you can. I just need to be able to read it. So a sloppy mess doesn't help you, and it doesn't help me know what you know and what you don't know, okay? Now, I went over 4. How many did I go up? Now I'm going to jump up the Y. 1, 2. So the ordered pair for the mushroom is 4, 2. Again, I clicked on the T for text box and make it small. I click and drag it where I want it, okay? Once I'm there, I can click and make it smaller. 4, 2 is the ordered pair. Now, if you prefer to use the pen tool, you can do that as well, but I have got to be able to read this. If I can't read it, how am I going to grade it? So you just click on the pencil and you write 4, the comma's already there, 2. Okay, so you're going to finish with these pictures and these pictures. Remember, first, you go over on the X, then, I'll do a yellow. You go up the Y, you have to run, then jump. So after you've finished all of those pictures, you've put your ordered pairs in, you're going to go to page 4. It's right here. So it's a mystery picture. So now you get to use either the pen tool or the pencil tool to put your ordered pair by drawing a dot. So it says use the ordered pairs to draw dots and connect them in order. Follow the instructions on the smaller boxes. So I'm going to plot my ordered pair of 15, 17. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the marker tool, okay? Make sure it's the smallest one. So I go over 15. Look, I'm doing A right now, right here. I'll box it so you see. Over 15 and up 17. Let's see. Right there. Over 15, up 17, and I put an A beside it. Now I'm going to do the same thing with all of this. I'm going to follow all directions in order, and you should have a picture, okay? So I could connect the dot. Then you have to draw the lines, but pay attention to what it says, because right here, let me click out of that, it says to, after you finish O, you connect it back to A, to 15, 17. Then you're going to draw a brand new line from 3, 8, and 0, 0. Then you're going to do a new line that's P, Q, and R. Draw big dots here. Now, the one thing I want to point out is, let me erase what I have up here, because I do want to point something out, okay? So give me just a minute. Let me get that erased. And I'm going to click on my highlighter tool now. And I'm going to make sure I have the smallest. There we go. So X is always the first number. So look at all those X's. That's X. The first number is always X. X, 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 X. So what is the second number? Yep, you got it. It's Y. Y. So pay attention to that. Make sure you're plotting them the right way. Okay? I'm not going to go through and highlight all of the X's. There you go. When you are done, you need to click the green turn in button. That submits it to me. Then you need to go back to Google Classroom. Go to the assignment. Click View Assignment and turn it in. Okay, remember this is graded. You need to be completing it right now.